Welcome! If you've been wondering how to change your file view to list on Dropbox, you're in the right place. Whether you're using Dropbox to keep your files organized or to quickly find what you need, having the right view can make all the difference. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to switch your file view to list on the Dropbox app. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several icons there. Tap the one labeled Files. This will take you to where all your stored documents and folders live. Now that you're viewing your files, the next step is to focus on the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice an icon that looks like either a grid or a list. This icon allows you to toggle between different viewing options. If you're currently looking at your files in a grid view, tapping this icon will give you the option to switch to a list view instead. Go ahead and tap this grid or list icon. A small selection menu will appear, offering you different ways to view your files. From here, select List View. This will instantly change how your files are displayed, lining them up neatly one below the other, with additional details like file size and modification date sometimes visible. This makes it much easier to scan through your files quickly and keep things organized. And that's it. Switching to List View on Dropbox is quick and straightforward. With your files now displayed in List View, managing documents, searching for projects, or simply browsing through everything becomes a smoother experience. Remember, having the right view can save you time and reduce frustration, especially when dealing with a large number of files. So don't hesitate to switch between grid and list views depending on what suits your workflow best. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get the most out of your Dropbox experience. Happy organizing!